Artificial intelligence won't take your job, but the person using it just might. So, are you the driver or the passenger? It's true. AI is replacing job functions with people in them. I won't gaslight you. It's true. AI is going to replace some jobs, but I don't buy that it is all about doom and gloom. AI isn't here just to replace us. It's here to help us do more with and enhance our productivity. It's the spark in a dark room, the extra set of eyes on a problem, the voice that whispers, what if, when the world says impossible. But here's the thing, using AI can feel like driving down a highway with no lanes, no signs, no map. Thrilling, yes. Terrifying, absolutely. That's what creativity has always been. Wide open, endless possibilities, and no clear direction. In that kind of space, you're not lost, you're free. And in that freedom, AI becomes your co-pilot, not to take the wheel, but to help you see the road you didn't even know was there. It starts with one simple question: what problem do I want to solve? It could be right in front of you or something that doesn't even exist yet. And that's the beauty. You get to imagine the future. Then you toss that question into the mind of the machine. AI throws ideas back, some brilliant, some bizarre, some completely out of left field. You don't dismiss them, you shape them, and you carve the rough edges until they become real, possible, powerful. It's not about getting it perfect on the first try. It's about iteration, testing, refining. You keep steering, keep adjusting until the road beneath you feels solid, because innovation isn't a moment, it's a journey. And once you see that, you stop fearing the unmarked highway and start enjoying the ride. So pick your problem, ask bold questions, and let AI help you chart a path where no one's driven before. If this sparks something in you, don't just listen. Take action, subscribe, and like it. Your next big idea could change everything. Until next time, keep learning with purpose.